This is a simple braid tutorial for a toddler. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so pleased to have you here. Thank you for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate every time you spend here. Thank you. If you are new, welcome. My name is Chi. I am a Nigerian YouTuber, a hairstylist based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. So nice to meet you. Today we will be making this simple school hairstyle for a toddler, and in this video, because I have come across people's comments where they say, oh, this child, my kid can never see through a hair, they do not stay one place, they force around, and people just assume because of how these videos are edited, you assume or you get impatient when you see your toddler behaving like a toddler when you make her hair. It's very rare for you to come across children that love to make their hair and will not get tired before you are done making the hair. Most of them will start acting up before you are done. So I tried not to edit this video too much so that you can see all the abrupt turning around, a little forcing, protests, or just the whole drama that comes with it, so that you can understand and be more patient when you're trying to make a toddler's hair. If you're not a patient person, I don't think you can successfully achieve this, and you might end up scaring the baby and making her just detest the times that she's supposed to make her hair. So if you can have something to distract them or keep them occupied, that will be very nice. They should also have snacks at hand for kids that like to. So also, during the video sometimes you will see some white flakes on her hair. Her hair is not dirty, her hair is clean. It's just that sometimes she touches her hair with her hands and there are snacks, there are like bits of snacks on her hand, and sometimes I just comb the hair to dust off those things. You might see the excess combing, you will see the serious turning around. When you're making a child, say a child is not an adult, they don't, you can see what I am saying. So please be very patient if you're making a child's hair, and just understand that that is the normal. If you see a baby that just keeps her hair for you to do what you want to do, that's not normal. That's not normal. And you know what else is normal? Like how excited they get after they are done making their hair. They know that you just made them look sweet. They know and they enjoy it, and they just standing in front of mirror and admire themselves, smiling and telling everybody. So just understand. So in the course of this video, this hat I am making now is not new to my channel. I have several videos. I even have a playlist of ways to braid a heart shape on a little girl's hair. I am going to leave it in the description bar so that you can check it out if you want to learn how to braid different shapes or numbers from scratch, or flowers. Like, check my description bar. I will have the link to the playlist. So for her hair, I just wanted a hat at the back and one by the side, then every other thing braided down. We want a 1 week hairstyle so that we can wash her hair. Long gist, but just watch through the video and you understand. I've explained everything you will come across. So let's continue. I just want to play some music. I really want to play some music in this video. So thank you guys, thank you so much for subscribing. Please, if you finish watching this video and you appreciate anything in the video, please give the video a thumbs up the video for this little mama, this amazing baby that allowed me film her hair, and her awesome mom that was so patient. Like, please just thumbs up this video for all of us. Thank you, and let's continue.
Audio Jungle.